All right, testing 1, 2. In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can draw things, how we can make professional millwork packages. This format is 1117, and I'm assuming a lot of you are like, wow, why does it look so small? And that is the number one tip I'm going to give you today. The thing we're focusing on is printing a professional looking, professional quality drawing in Fusion. First things first, when you're creating a drawing, the number one thing is you want to pack as much information into one page as you possibly can without cluttering it with too much junk. In this case, and in most cases, what I like to include is, I would say, a low quality rendering, a 90-second rendering, and visuals showing all sides of the item. Of course, a plan view, a front elevation, a rear elevation, some sections, side elevation sometimes. It's not included in this one. Now, this is not enough information to send out to the shop floor and get everyone building. Okay. What this is geared towards is sending it to the client, and the client having a solid understanding of what we have in the works for them over at the shop. And a lot of times the client will I mean, we send this to them as a PDF. They'll mark it up in PDF, and we make the changes and get the confirmation and go ahead from there. So that's what this is. This is basically the donuts. National Donut Day. This is the this is the sheet that will give the go ahead for the project. In most cases, there's more than enough information there for a potential client to approve, change, but most importantly, understand what's going on. All right, let's try that. Peace.